Hi guys.
Hey, hi guys.
So today we are here to
Last
analyze
two
one more
teams.
team.
Yeah.
We'll start with Punjab.
The
Punjab Kings. They were the
defending champion.
defending. They were the
Sorry,
finalists.
they were the finalists. They were the topper.
Yeah,
the
the
table.
group topper and the finalists. They lost by 6 runs last year.
Hey,
Very close
six
match.
runs. No, it was not a close match. So if you remember,
wasn't?
it wasn't. शशांक ने लास्ट में बस खींचा था, राइट? मैच तो बहुत पहले खत्म हो गया था, right? So
Yeah. So but then yeah, one of the strongest contenders last year.
this year also, I think.
And yeah, this year as well. I think we'll follow वो करते हैं जो हम हर वीडियो में कर रहे
से स्टार्ट करते
हैं.
हैं.
एक बार 2025 देख लेते हैं कि but since they were the table toppers, एक बार फिर भी let's see कुछ weaknesses थे कि नहीं, it got masked under the fact that they played really well. Do you want to start?
Yeah, I was thinking. So Punjab ka like the final भी देखोगे तो I think Iyer top 3 still played. Prabh Simran, Priyansh, and they have Josh English last time, right? They don't have Josh English this time, right? And they have couple of foreigner batters like Mike. I know I'm talking about team, but Avan और Cooper जो हैं वो भी नए हैं. तो I think last year उनके पास जो strength था top 4 उनका, right? वो एक्चुअली वो वीकनेस इस बार है क्योंकि इनके पास जॉश इंग्लिश नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. वी विल गो टू दैट. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई डोंट थिंक, आई थिंक दे वर अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम यार. मतलब उन्होंने 110 112 रन डिफेंड कर लिया था, राइट? चहल हैड अ गुड आईपीएल. उनके पास अर्शदीप है, उनके पास आंसन है, राइट? तो
आई थिंक वन couple of smaller problems, right? एक तो था आई थिंक डेथ बॉलिंग दे नीड टू फिगर आउट बिकॉज अर्शदीप छोड़ के अदर देन बिकॉज अर्शदीप विल बॉल 2 overs at the start. So I see options like Lockie,
Ben Dorius is there.
Ben Dorshus or Dorius,
whatever, Ben is there.
Ben is there. But are they that good? Because last year I think that was a small thing, and even Mullanpur for them, right? They won 3 out of 7 matches there. So the home advantage they are yet to figure out.
I think we have discussed this for almost all the teams. Home advantage.
Home was not an advantage for most of the things, including Punjab. Right, and I
guess Mullanpur was the first time we were playing IPL last year there, right? So I think
I was fortunate enough to watch a match there.
Oh, nice.
It was Punjab versus RCB. Kohli made a 50 but
who won?
RCB won.
Okay.
But it became very boring by the end of it because there was no it was a pretty one-sided match. Anyways, टीम से शुरू करते हैं then. ठीक है. I think top 3 तो sorted है इनका. Like they won't make any change.
Simran, Priyansh, and Shreyas. I think that was the plus point for them last year, right? With the way Prabh Simran and Priyansh have started and played.
If we take it a little forward, right? Last year, both of them had amazing seasons, right? उन्होंने बहुत सही खेला. They are still inexperienced. They don't have international exposure.
Obviously.
Do you think we discussed for RR, right? Second year for Vaibhav Suryavanshi, there will be analysts who will
obviously there will be analysts. So I think.
So and should my question to you is, should Punjab rely on these two as much as they did last year? Yeah, should they think of?
But उनका ऑप्शन नहीं है Kaustubh, right? So see.
नहीं I'm saying कि खिलाना है नहीं खिलाना नहीं. अगर खिलाएंगे तो I'm assuming अगर if they do well they'll play at least 10 out of the 14 matches.
Correct, definitely.
Right? They'll give them that confidence, right? But I think Punjab as a team should also be wary of the fact that they might not have. Last year was an amazing, outstanding season, and very rarely IPL में ऐसा होता है कि दो domestic player
पूरा dominate करते हैं,
and they scored 600 and 500 runs each, exactly. Right? Almost. Yes. So that they should be wary of, that they might not get 1100 runs this year, so they have to figure out दूसरे ways or दूसरे players through which
middle order and order. Definitely. But I think with Ricky Ponting उनके पास है, right? So I think काफी मेहनत चल रही होगी. So ठीक है, top 3 तो I think we are good.
Shreyas, I think Shreyas has a point to prove as well.
Dude, he's proving every IPL, right?
Yeah, but I think still he needs a place in the Indian.
And now that there are a couple of places where Shreyas Iyer will be seeing his, at least in T20. I think one day he's there.
One day he's the vice captain.
He's the vice captain, and I think T20 में Tilak and Sky, I don't know, right? What is the future?
So, but I still feel like he can, if he has another 500 plus or 600 plus,
exactly.
I think it will be very difficult for the Indian selectors to stop him getting into the team, right?
And I think he gets into a team और captain भी बन सकता है T20.
I think he has that captaincy Well, he can be the a successor from who takes things forward from Sky.
Sky, exactly.
ठीक है.
Correct. ठीक है.
तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. I think number 4 for me, and that might be a debatable position, is Aznatullah Omarzai.
Yeah. Okay, fine. ठीक है.
Yeah.
He's in my squad, but not at number 4.
Okay. I think one and big advantage which I see, right, is their all-rounder strength.
Yes.
Across teams, I think
they have 4 very good all-rounders.
Yeah.
Marco Hansen, Barar, Stoinis, and Omarzai.
Yes. So that gives them that flexibility to have more batsmen.
Yes.
And all of them can bowl like 2-3 over. तो सब
over निकाल लेंगे. Correct.
ठीक है. तो
ठीक है. 4th you are going with Omarzai.
4th Omarzai. Who is 4th for you?
4th for me was Stoinis, right?
हाँ ठीक है. My 5th is Stoinis.
My 5th is, so basically for me, I have put Omarzai at 7th, basically floater, whenever required. So I think you have done, अब तुम्हारा प्रभ सिमरन हो गया, प्रियांश हो गया, अय्यर हो गया है, Omarzai हो गया, 4 हो गया है.
Next 3 if I can say, Omarzai, Stoinis, Shashank, Nehal.
मेरा भी सेम है.
ऑर्डर ऊपर
नीचे होगा, बट मेरे को नेहल और यार तो आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ मुशीर.
मेरे पे I have put him
right, but again
replacement for Nehal. मतलब if needed, like
correct. So Mushir also gives you couple of overs.
I was thinking about this, but I don't think they need overs.
They need a hitter.
They need a power hitter. And plus I think their bowling they easily have 24-25 overs without Mushir. I was thinking अगर like for example
अगर ये फिर तो they go strong on batting ना, तो वो हरप्रीत की जगह पे मुशीर कर सकते हैं.
बट स्पिनर और कोई है नहीं.
चहल है,
बस वही है मतलब.
स्पिनर.
सेकंड स्पिनर आई डोंट थिंक है. आई थिंक हरप्रीत एंड चहल cannot be touched like in this team because I don't see any other Indian spinner.
मुशीर ही है मतलब पार्ट टाइम.
तो ठीक है. आई थिंक
ठीक है. मुशीर भी, बट आई थिंक उसमें पोटेंशियल काफी है. एंड लास्ट टाइम आई थिंक उसको उसी मैच में मौका मिला था, इसमें 110 पे ऑल आउट हो रहे थे, तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करके उसको भेजा गया था. बट
सो आई थिंक बिटवीन शशांक एंड नेहल, if any one of them don't have a good season,
then Mushir can be looked up
can come and replace them. I think after that for me it's Jansen.
I think Shashank is a key player for them, right? And
the
accidental why
दो back to back seasons
अच्छे हुए, and he's very high on confidence. Sorry. ठीक है. शशांक हो गया. I think 7-8 is done. बरार तक.
8th is Jansen for me, or 9th is Brar.
9th is Brar, correct.
But like imagine a team like which has Jansen at 8 and Brar at 9, and without compromising on the bowling, I think that's
a big plus point, right? Yeah.
So I think credit to Ricky and the team management, because Punjab generally has always
काफी fucked up.
Always they have messed up on the balance. I think then it's बहुत easy. उसके बाद अर्शदीप,
चहल,
लॉकी, फर्ग्यूसन है.
चहल is 12th one.
चहल.
And लॉकी के साथ you can have Ben also.
और जेवियर बार्टलेट लिया है उन्होंने.
जेवियर बार्टलेट लिया, ठीक है.
तो I think और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है उनके पास.
And I think एक और ये भी है इनके पास कि I think 12 दोनों का लाइन है मोस्टली, but let's say Stoinis का थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे जाता है. They have Awan and Cooper also.
Yeah, they're good backup for everyone.
हाँ, but उन्होंने इतना प्रूव नहीं किया अभी.
ठीक है, but at least they are like अगर Omarzai ठीक नहीं कर पाता, which can happen. Cooper can come in place.
Awan can come in place.
Which Awan can come in place of Stoinis. So I think they have found out backups for everyone. Other than maybe the openers, I don't see a lot of openers.
Correct.
So they'll have to put their faith on like Prabh Simran and Priyansh, and उनके साथ they'll have to stick with, even if they have like a tough start to the season. Any weakness do you think in this lineup?
I think first top two. The top two has to fight, right? That's the, if top two gives you combined, they'll give you 700-800 runs. Punjab again, should be number one for me.
I think the second one which I feel was no spin backup, right? अगर if either, and we discussed it briefly, right? अगर चहल और बरार में से कोई भी एक इंजर्ड भी होता है, और if they are having a bad season, we don't know Chahal, right? He's not played competitive cricket for a lot of time.
But अभी उसका मैं इंटरव्यू देखा था, उसने 6 महीने से अल्कोहल छोड़ा हुआ है, तो I hope.
But yeah, if that would have been the indicator of performance, तो बहुत लोग would have done well.
मैं भी अभी क्रिकेटर होता हूँ 6 महीने से at least.
So, and I also think एक और जो factor है कि they have a lot of dependency on Shashank and Nehal Vadera, that position, right? Because the
but ठीक है ना, वो तो मतलब किसी भी टीम का है.
नहीं, but on two Indian players जो domestic में है, they can have a off season as well. ठीक है. So but हाँ, I think Shashank has proved.
So
So
they have Shreyas, yeah. मतलब Shreyas पे they high hopes on Shreyas, right?
yeah, Shreyas has to do well.
So
ठीक
I
है.
think ठीक है, team wise done.
I think team wise done.
And for me, they should be number one.
Yeah, I mean, I have like kind of already my top 4 have gone in the list, so I am forced to.
I had
Ideally,
just kept one for them.
Yeah,
first
ideally I would have wanted them, but मेरा DC, RCB, MI, and
No, I think we have got it wrong. So
no, but I think there
We
will
can
always
publish
be
it-
there will
publish
always be
one.
5 teams, right? 5 or 6 teams for the top
for the
4,
top four, yes.
right? So मेरे लिए as per if I have to fit it in my points table, so they will be 5th, like which is the best that I can give with what I've done in the past. So yeah, what do you guys think?
Yes.
Let us know in the comments.
And like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.